Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and what's up, how are you all and how's your trading going? And right now I'm recording this video. The Bitcoin price is pumping continuously and it is reaching new levels and new right now I would say new price action forming, and it is currently entered in my exact order block that I already told you in my videos. As I told you earlier that with Bitcoin all other altcoins are pumping, and exactly as I told you in my analysis, Dogecoin is pumping, Stellar is pumping, Ripple, Shiba Inu, every major altcoin are pumping heavily to the upside according to my analysis also. So what is that, and how am I making money through this whole huge move in the crypto space, and what is the next move, where will I book profits, and everything I will discuss in today's video. So let's get into the charts. Here we are on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and it's simple price action. You can clearly see this important support trend line, horizontal line at 39,494. When the price of Bitcoin made a support from here, I already knew that the price of Bitcoin can easily go to this main order block zone. This whole is a zone of an order block, very important resistance of for Bitcoin, from 44,378 all the way up to $48,000. Very important level for the Bitcoin price. And as you can clearly see, after some consolidation, the price of Bitcoin did managed to enter inside this order block. Now it's guaranteed that the price of Bitcoin will go all the way up till the $48,000 level, because that is the most important level for the price of Bitcoin right now. It is an Fibonacci golden zone also. If you have not watched my this video right here popping on the screen, do watch it right now, link is in the comment. And very important video, you will understand that why $48,000 is a very important level for Bitcoin, very important resistance for Bitcoin currently. The price of Bitcoin, as I said, that it will go all the way up till $48,000, and after that it will be a crucial moment for the Bitcoin. Either it will show some kind of a reversal and can fall back again down, or if the price breaks the $48,000 level to the upside with a perfect huge volume candle or with a retest, then I will go again long on Bitcoin, and my target profits and everything I will discuss accordingly to that situation in the future. So I hope you understand it now. And this is the price of Bitcoin continuously pumping, and as I told you that if the price of Bitcoin pumps or dumps, then the same happens in the altcoins also. They will also pump and dump. And why I'm telling you this, let me show you. So right now I'm on the Dogecoin's daily time frame chart, and I hope you saw my previous videos where I was talking about that how the price of Dogecoin is in a downtrend currently and making a support from this important support zone. And if the price of Dogecoin either breaks this support zone to the downside or breaks this trend line to the upside, then I will go long or short accordingly. So as you can clearly see, the price of Dogecoin did a breakout here at this level, and I entered at 0.07978 while the breakout was happening. And when the retest happened, you can clearly see breakout with a decent amount of volume and then a retest also. And now you can clearly see how the price of Dogecoin is pumping to the upside as the Bitcoin price is pumping. So I already told you in my short video that my first target will be all the way up till here at 0.10318, and my stop loss is currently at 0.07680. Right now I will not trail my stop loss, because for trailing the stop loss the price has to minimum go at least till my half of my trade, somewhat over here, then only I will start trailing my stop loss. So let's see what happens. As you can clearly see, the price of Dogecoin is also pumping, and it did a perfect breakout with a retest, and then I entered long, and I shared this trade on my Twitter as well. So do follow me on my Twitter too. And right now, right here is the Stellar's chart, and as you all know, the price of Stellar was in a downtrend right here. You can clearly see this important resistance zone and this important support zone. Simple price action, support, resistance, that's it. And the price was in a falling wedge right here. I don't trade on chart patterns much, but falling wedges are kind of a bullish patterns. So the main thing was that the price of Stellar came exactly at this yellow zone. I have not changed this zone at all if you match up with my previous videos. And you can clearly see candle losing momentum scenario. The bears are losing their momentum. You can see that the red candles are continuously decreasing in their size, and then a bullish engulfing candles comes in with a good amount of volume. And after this candle I decided to go long on Stellar, and right now also the price of Stellar is inside this whole zone. Well, this whole zone is a support zone, but I will be happy to see the price of Stellar breaking this zone to the upside, because if it does, then it's confirmed that the price of Stellar will pump from here to the upside. So right now I'm in profits in the Stellar's chart, also in the Stellar asset, and my take profit is all the way up till here at 0.1287, and my stop loss is currently at 0.1046. And I will share my trade updates live with you guys on the Bybit app also in the later in this video, so stay tuned. Here I am on the Ripple's chart XRP, and as I told you that the price of XRP is currently in a downtrend. This downtrend right here, it is in a downtrend. I decided that I will go long in XRP when the price of XRP breaks this downwards trend line to the upside, plus it gets a support from here. This green zone is also a support, very good support for the Ripple. As you can clearly see here, many touch points right here, very good support right here. And I decided to go long, and this is my trade right here on XRP. Well, I forgot this trade to enter in the Bybit app, and so I decided to just paper trade it on the TradingView app. So for my first take profit is all the way up till 0.5909. Right here is my take profit, and my stop loss is all the way down here at 0.4938. Currently this trade is in profits, and 1:3 risk to reward. This is a minor resistance right here, that's why I'm my first take profit will be this. If the price of XRP breaks this to the upside, then I will definitely target more upper levels, that's for sure. So as you can see clearly, perfect analysis on XRP as well. Also I told you and shared you my analysis on Shiba Inu. I told you all that the price of Shiba Inu is right now in an uptrend following this support trend line. As you can clearly see, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low right here. And I told you all that the price of Shiba Inu recently formed a new higher high, then a new higher low right here. So if the price of Shiba Inu gets a support from this trend line and breaks this small downtrend trend line, then I will definitely go long. And as you can clearly see, the price of Shiba Inu first took a support from here, that means buyers entry, and secondly this minor downtrend line also got weak in front of Shiba Inu's chart, and the bulls took over it, and right now the price of Shiba Inu is also pumping. But I have not entered in this trade. Why? Because as you can clearly see, here is an important level of resistance for the Shiba Inu, and right now it is not the correct time to enter. So I will wait for the price to either go upside near this resistance, so some kind of a consolidation or a rejection, then only I will enter long and target some upper levels. Right now entering long is not what I expect, and I won't enter in a long in FOMO. So yeah, it's better to wait till some better price action forms according to my setup. For showing you my live trade updates, just look at this chart. Just I mean, crude oil, perfect analysis as always. I made a video somewhat over here when the price was somewhat over here. I told you all that crude oil's price is also in an uptrend right now, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So if the price of crude oil either breaks to the downside, breaking this upward trend line, then I will go short. But if the price of crude oil gets a support from here and a support from this important purple zone, because if I zoom in, you can clearly see the price of crude oil never ever did a uh, full candle closing below this whole zone. You can clearly see the price of crude oil got a support exactly from here, a morning star candle, doji neutral candle, and then full buyers incoming, you can clearly see. So the price of crude oil also did a very good support from this upwards trend line and this whole zone right here. So yeah, it's just perfect analysis. Again, as you can clearly see, the price is pumping to the upside, and I made a video about it also, and I will pin it in the comments too, so that you can see that how I do analysis as well. See, price action is the key for trading, and it consists only of support resistance. That's it. Either the price will break out to the upside or break down to the downside. That's it. And then only we have to capture a move. Sometimes we also don't know that the price will do a breakout to upside or a breakdown to the downside, but we are ready to trade every moment of the price, either to upside or downside. So I hope you understand how trading works. So just a quick small analysis on Litecoin chart, because I'm planning to enter in a trade in Litecoin in the future. You can clearly see Litecoin's price is in an uptrend right now, and well, some will say that it is a head and shoulders forming. So yeah, it is, but what matters the most is that if the price of Litecoin breaks this trend line to the downside, then only it will be a scenario of a bearish, huge bearish price action forming for the Litecoin. But what I'm seeing currently is that for me it was simple, that if the price of Litecoin comes down and gets a support from this trend line, support trend line, then I will go long. Plus you can clearly see that currently the price of Litecoin is in a downtrend, following this downtrend line. So yeah, it's simple. I decided to go long in Litecoin's price if the price of Litecoin breaks this downwards trend line to the upside, and this minor resistance right here. I hope you can clearly see this many touch points right here. It is a minor resistance zone for the price of Litecoin, and recently the price did a breakout of this resistance zone plus this downward trend line to the upside. So but I did not enter in a trade, because I always enter when there is a retest or if you are confident in your trade. So if I see clearly, I was literally sleeping. It was 5 in the morning, and I could not enter in this trade. So I will wait for the price of Litecoin to come down at this level, approximate at 69.5 level, for a retest, and then I will enter in a long in the price of Litecoin, because this is a very important level, because the price of Litecoin will simultaneously touch this downward trend line also and this support also, which was earlier a resistance and now a support. So that's why I will wait for the price of Litecoin to come down here, and then I will enter in a long position in Litecoin. But I won't enter right now in a FOMO. So let's see what happens. Here I am, guys, on the Bybit app where I usually trade crypto, and as you can see right now I'm trading demo because I don't have funds to trade, but I am following this demo as a real account, following proper risk and money management as well. So let's see what happens. So currently you can see my Dogecoin trade is in profits, 22% profits, and my Stellar trade also in 24% in profits right now. So both the trades are going pretty well, and I already shared my analysis with you all, and trade logic, setup levels, everything I've shared in the videos. Also, if I see my pending order, you can clearly see Litecoin trade conditional order is at 69.53, as I just shared you that if the price of Litecoins falls again to the downside at 69.53, I will go long on Litecoin. And yeah, this is it. All my stop loss on Stellar and Dogecoin, you can clearly see same price levels right here. So yeah, this is my trade update on Dogecoin and Stellar, and unfortunately I was not able to enter in a trade in Ripple, or else Ripple was also included here, but my analysis played out perfect. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand that the Bitcoin price is pumping, and why it is pumping. Simple price action, as I already shared in my previous videos, and I predicted it that the price of Bitcoin will pump. And right now the price of Bitcoin has entered in the important order block zone, as you all know. And currently I will not trade Bitcoin. I will wait for it to either go to the $48,000 level and then show some kind of a reversal or a breakout, but currently I will not enter. And as you all know that if the price of Bitcoin pumps, every other crypto will also pump, and same Dogecoin, Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, every crypto is pumping right now. And I shared my trade updates on Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Ripple, and many other cryptos, and how they are making money for me. So yeah, this is it. Simple price action, follow risk and money management, and you will be also in profits. And I will suggest you to practice your trade. I hope you saw my live trade on Bybit as well. If you want to trade any crypto, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description. You can get up to $30,000 gift for free on Bybit. You can create an account for free. Link is in the description and in the comment. You can get up to $1,000 bonus on Xness. So create an account on Xness also for free, because I usually take my all the crude oil and forex trades there. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand, and I hope that you are also making money in this crypto market. Currently I am not having any funds, that's why I always trade on paper trade only. But yeah, I mean, I'm sure in the future these moves will come for sure, and I will make real money as well. But what matters for me the most is that my analysis is going perfect. That's what matters for me. And yeah, this is it. Do follow me on my Twitter. I always share my trade updates there. And see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.